What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host of SharePoint in 60 Seconds, your channel where you can get what you need in the first minute or two, and then stick around if you really want the gory details. Today, we're going to debut the brand new feature, how to create a list from an Excel spreadsheet in SharePoint Online. Stay tuned. I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard. Oh snap, you're still here after that intro? That's awesome, thank you. Appreciate you. Please like, please subscribe, and please share this if you think it can be of value to someone else. So basically it's like this. Let's say you got an Excel spreadsheet and you want to turn it into a SharePoint list. All you got to do is hit that gear icon, go to Site Contents, click on New, click on List, and then say From Excel on the left-hand side. From there, you're going to just click some buttons and upload that Excel file, and then you're going to pick your columns, what kind of columns you want them to be, and then boom, you're going to have a SharePoint list built. So, if you'd like to see more, stick around and we'll run through the details. Oh snap, you're still here. I really appreciate you. All right, check it out. So first off, let's look at the Excel spreadsheet because you can't just rock with any old Excel spreadsheet. You've got to do some stuff to it first. All right. So basically, you got to prep that bad boy before you go creating a SharePoint list from it. So let's pop into our document. You like my sweet gaming consoles? I wish I had all those right now. All right, so here's our Excel file. We're going to pop into that bad boy. Now we're in online, and I've never, well, let me back up. We have to we are in online, Excel Online. We have to format this spreadsheet as a table. And just some basic fundamentals, you're going to want to have like a header, the song title, the artist, artist to, and sales. And then these are the things underneath each of these columns. Here are the song titles. Here are the artist names. Oh, I forgot to fill. Oh, let's see. There is no other artist too. All right, cool. And then the sales. So the sales level, if you sell so many records, you're going to get silver, gold, platinum, blah, blah, blah. But it's not a table yet. I can't filter or anything, do anything. This is just a straight sales. You've got to go and format. This is really, wow. I haven't really played with Excel Online. It is really looking exactly like the app right now, which is kind of bugging me out. Wow. Okay. So anyway, we're going to format as table rather. Wow. This there's no difference here. Just humor me for a moment. I'm going to open in desktop app. I'll make sure I got it closed. All right. I'm going to open in desktop app. I swear it looks like it used to look like online. Now it looks like the app. The lines have been blurred, people. Yeah, and my computer's slow. If you'd like to send a donation, oh my gosh, here we go. All right. So it's going to make me log in. That's fine. I'll log in. Good grief. Oh my gosh. No. Okay. Jeez. So sorry. I'm going to have to edit this out. Okay. See, look, it looks like... Oh, come on. They're really getting better with this. Okay. So, yes, I got it. So look at the font, alignment, number, styles. Where's styles? I don't see styles. Wait a minute. Okay, it's a little bit different. I mean, you can see back here, alignment, number, so styles, but that's format as table. Oh, so really? That's how we're doing it. That's how we're gonna do it, right? So oh, is it because I don't have the latest version? Like, for anyone who's really like wanting to get to the meat of this, you can surely fast forward, but I'm having fun exploring this. So if I go in here and I check my updates, I just want to make sure I'm on the most up-to-date version. Okay. Well, that's goofy. All right, so then the app, it says styles, and online it says tables. I wonder which one's going to get updated to which one. Anyway, cells, editing, ideas, it's the same. This is pretty cool. Like, I just don't, maybe I just haven't been in there in a while. Is it the same for Word? But anyway, all right, I'm going to digress here. So let me just close this. Nope. And we need to format this as table before SharePoint will play with it, okay? This is my favorite one, even though we're not going to really be doing it. And it's going to ask you, does the table have headers? And basically it's going to take your top row and make that your headers. And these will be the column names. So we're going to say, yep, got headers. Okay, and it automatically selects your data. Boom, now you've got a table. And all that means is you can now sort and filter and all that jazz. All right, great. So we're going to close this. Remember, you got to do that first, otherwise it's going to wig out. So now we're going to go to site contents. I want to create a list from that spreadsheet. We're going to go to site contents. And then we're going to go new list. And then we're going to select from Excel. This is brand new. I swear I feel like I heard about this at Microsoft Ignite 2018. I swear. Like 2018, they were like, yeah, you can make a list from a list. I was like, sweet. And then they were like, and you're going to be able to create a list from Excel, but not using that funky old, like crazy old school way. And I was like, yeah. And then, for a minute, I think Excel was like, I'm on targeted release, and I swear I had the ability for Excel for like a split second, and then it like went away. And then we got from an existing list, which is super cool. Because what that does is allows me to like develop a list on any site, and then I can like bounce it to any other site. Great. And then from Excel, which is what we're going to do right now, from Excel. So it's going to trim it to show folders and Excel files in like your shared documents default library. And that's the only library that I have, I think, on this particular site collection. So we'll go ahead and select that one. And move me out of the way here. And really, okay, what? Let's, oh snap. What happened? You can't see me anymore. All right. Okay, that was weird. I disappeared for a minute. All right. So we select it, and then we click next. Okay, so we make a name, create a name, enter a name. We're going to call it song catalog. I'm not putting spaces in here because I don't want spaces or %20 in my URL. This is most likely going to be the URL if they're going to do it as they have done other things. I'm going to show it in the site navigation until I get tired of it being full, and then I'm going to delete it. Select table from this file. There's only one table. And then here's the deal. So we got like the title is going to be song title. All right, cool. It'll be interesting to see if it actually renames title to song title. And then artist is going to be single line of text. That's great. Artist 2, single line of text. And sales, I wonder, now, see, I don't know if we could have done this in the old method, but I'm going to say choice. And I hope it makes these the choices in the choice column. So you're experiencing this with me for the first time because I've never done this. So we're making history together. I guess I could make these choices if I wanted to have, you know, choose from artists, I guess. Yeah, sure. Why not? It'll be interesting to see if it's probably going to add Carolina Mike in there a couple of different times, but we'll see. And we'll leave these the way they are. Let's go ahead and create that bad boy. All right, so, oh, look at that. So it basically replaced song title with title, which I'm okay with that. So it dropped my header and made it title, which I'm okay with that because I don't really want to mess with the title column unless I really have to, even if it's renaming it. One thing to note, and you probably heard me say this before, I like to make my my column names camel case with no spaces. And that helps when we start going into Power Apps. So you're not dealing with this weird space %20 or any jazz like that. Also, keep in mind when you change, if you rename this after you name it initially, the original name that you gave it will be the name that shows up in things like Power Apps, unless they've made an update. If they have, let me know. So there you go. But let's play around a little bit. Let's see what happens when I add a new song. We're gonna give it maple syrup. That is that's the song you heard in the intro. Maple syrup. And let's see. Okay, so it lets me hit C and choose. Did it? Oh, did you all see that? If I had an air horn, I'm gonna get an air horn. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Just hold it. Hold on right about now, because this is what they call epic. Where's the air horn? Where is it? Okay, you ready? Here we go. So if you go back and look at my I'm not going to pull it up now, but I know you saw the fact that I had multiple songs. Well, here, it's right here. So in that Excel spreadsheet, we had multiple names, and it was smart enough to figure out, or we had multiple entries with the same name. And so they program this so that when the conversion is made, it looks to see what duplicates are there, and it shrinks them down so that you only oh, this is awesome. Okay, sales, we're gonna say this is gonna be a platinum for sure. Okay, and then I wish this was not the default because I never add attachments. But anyway, we're gonna save it. Oh, did I not pick? Oh, way to go. Didn't pick an artist. Way to go. Nice job. Nice job, Carolina Mike. All right, and then there we go. Boom. So that's it. We did it. So, to recap, if you have an Excel spreadsheet and you need to turn it into a SharePoint list, all you have to do is go to Site Contents, select New. Well, actually, let's back up. The first thing you got to do is you've got to make sure that you format your spreadsheet as a table. Then you're going to go to Site Contents. Then you're going to click on New, List from Excel. And then you're going to import your Excel spreadsheet. You're going to fix up your columns however you want them to be. And then you're going to click Create. And then boom, you're off to the races. That makes creating a list Super duper easy. Thank you, SharePoint, for that awesome update. And this is Carolina Mike saying, please like this video if it was of value for you. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more like this. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I appreciate you being here. So thanks for watching. This is Carolina Mike saying, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. Take it easy. I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.